Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I've already been into these, and that's because these were sent by Cutlery, which I'm going to link them and these knives right down in the description. You can absolutely get them right now, at least at the time of this upload. They sent me a lot of stuff, and I had to break what they sent me down into a couple of videos. But I still want to share this stuff with you guys because it's definitely pretty cool. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and get in here. So what we have are some more interesting Pena X series knives. This is actually the Lanny in Damascus steel and red fat carbon fiber, which is an exclusive to Cutlery. They do some of the most interesting exclusives available right now. Excuse me, missed that front flipper there. But yeah, this is awesome. Generally speaking, what we get with an exclusive, and there's nothing wrong with this. I said this in the last Cutlery video that I did. We get like, instead of S30V, it's in M4. And instead of, you know, black G10, it's in green G10, which is cool. That's fine. But for people looking for a little bit more than that, I mean, these definitely are going to cost more money. I think these are awesome. This is Damascus steel, not just regular Damascus. This is the proprietary combination of RWL 34 and PMC 27 from the Damascus Steel Company. So two powder formed compositions to create Damascus steel, which will perform pretty much exactly the same as CPM 154, which is awesome. And then the red fat carbon on this guy, very cool. Nice backspacer just to give it some, you know, matching personality, etc. Very, very smooth. Now these are going to be expensive, right? But that's generally going to be the case. As far as knives with Damascus steel go, pretty good price. Generally speaking, you're going to pay a lot more for something that comes in Damascus steel. This one is my personal favorite of the two. There were a couple of other exclusives from River's Edge Cutlery, or a few other exclusives that I got that were Pena X series knives. This is the blue fat carbon. And these other ones that I have over here that I showed in another video, they're cool, but there was a little bit too much color for me. The green was too much green, the red was too much red, the blue was too much blue, etc. This, I like this subtle, we have subtle blue in here. And same with the red, subtle red. I think this looks a lot better than the crazy colors, but that's a nice thing with the Pena X series exclusives. You can get the version you want with as much or as little color you want. Well, I mean, not exactly, but you have choices is what I'm saying here. These are really cool, and for people who like that sort of classic pocket knife look, but want some modern elements, I think, you know, it's safe to say we definitely have more modern elements than traditional elements here, but still really cool. And, you know, it's nice that it's got a pocket clip, is a sub frame lock, absolutely, and these are ridiculously smooth. These are really, really nice exclusives from Cutlery. And I'll invite you guys to take a look over there and see everything that they've got, because they have a lot. They have a lot of stuff that you either have not seen in a while, or exclusive versions of things that, you know, you didn't know you needed an exclusive version of. But I thought their stuff was pretty cool. So more really interesting knives. These will actually get their own. This is not a review. This is just unboxing and first impressions, or really just, you know, me giving them to you since I've already opened them. But these knives will absolutely get their own full comprehensive reviews a few weeks down the road. They are extremely similar to the other, I think it was the Texas Trapper that I got. In fact, I'll get one out and kind of show you. And I can also give you, you know, an example of the color contrast that I was talking about. So this is the Texas Trapper, which is also an exclusive through Cranes. So you can see here, the Texas Trapper is a little bit bigger. And then this red here is a lot more prominent. Now, some people are going to like this a lot more, but I mean, that's the thing. Whether you want to do, you know, something really flashy, you want to do something a little reserved, you've got a couple of options. Texas Trapper, you can definitely tell that it's a little bit bigger, but they're both about, you know, just as thick, right? So it feels like the same amount of material, just a little longer, the Texas Trapper there. But yeah, definitely. So there's a look at the difference there. Anyways, more information to come when I do the full comprehensive review. Thanks again to Crane's Cutlery for sending these in for me to take a look at. No, I don't get to keep them. That's not how this works. Just checking them out, sending them back. These are loaners. So anyways, check them out. Links in the description. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.